Hello, welcome to Kids Doc. I will explain why bananas are an ideal starter solid food for babies. Bananas are naturally sweet. A medium banana has just 110 calories and 19 grams of sugar. Babies have a natural affinity for things that taste sweet, and bananas deliver, which is why they're often so easily accepted by a baby who's moving on beyond breast milk or formula. Bananas are packed with important nutrients. They're particularly rich in potassium, a mineral that helps to regulate blood pressure, protect against kidney stones, and help to prevent bone loss that can occur with aging. Lots of foods contain potassium, and so a child who eats a healthy diet isn't likely to become deficient in the nutrient, a condition called hypokalemia. Bananas also boast a variety of other minerals, as well as certain vitamins, including vitamins A, B6, B12, folate. Bananas have a lot of fiber, 3 grams per fruit, in fact, making them a significant contributor to the overall daily intake of fiber. However, it's best not to give bananas to a child who's constipated, despite the popularity of the bread diet as a treatment for constipation, which involves bananas, rice, applesauce, and toast. This is because there are two components of bananas that actually can exacerbate constipation: tannins and amylase-resistant starch. Better fruits for helping a child to have regular bowel movements are green kiwi fruit and prunes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Kids Doc. Have a good day.